Hello everyone, I welcome you to the another video tutorial on image processing from www.embeddautomation.com. So this is my interface when I open up, and this here you can see workspace. There is nothing stored in the workspace currently. This current directory, or which you can even see here. These are my files that are there on my desktop. On my desktop I even have a image embeddautomation.jpg, which I'm going to read now and do the processing based on it. So you can read the image using read command. So this image is read, as you can see in the workspace, and we can view this image using IM tool. So using IM tool, as you see, at every pixel location, this 32,59, it shows you the x, y location, and these three 137, 113. So these are the RGB, or the red, green, blue intensity at this pixel location. As you can see, the black part, all the intensity readings are 0, while we move to different colors, they get different color values. So now you can size of this image using the size command. So this is stored as 155, 152, 3. 155 x dimension, 152 is y dimension, and the 3 is used to show that this image is stored in a RGB format, or at some location you have 3 intensities. So now, as described on the page, let's use this code which will show you the different parts of this image. I have explained this code on the page. So as you can see, this is the original image, and this is the red part of the image, this is the green part of the image, and this is the blue part of the image. So this image, or the original image, is a combination of these 3 images, or RGB images. So now let's do the color based processing. So I am using the code that I mentioned already. So here I am trying to detect all the green pixels in my image, or if I see the green pixels now in my image, this is the green area and also this area. So I have to detect this area. So now let's see my output image. So wow, my green part is detected. This part is marked as 1, or as it was written in the code here, dk, l to be 1 if the intensity of the green part is more than 200, and at the other locations I have intensity 0, as was written in our code, that if the pixel is not green, it makes its intensity 0. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you. Have a nice time.